Hello, Bill Molyneux here for Bill's History World, and we're at the Poplar Grove Mansion, and this video is about Poplar Grove's Tidewater Mill. You know, Poplar Grove is the birthplace of Captain Sally Tompkins, and it's also was owned by John Lennon. Fully Goober the Traveling Bear approved, and it's a Virginia Historic Landmark also. Well, there's the Tidewater Mill, one of the last surviving mills, and that wheel was replaced in 2015. See that giant wheel? It's over 12 feet in diameter, weighs over 2,000 pounds. There's Rudolph Small, and that picture was sent to me by his grandson, Richard Small, and he worked in the mill. Now that wheel was totally rebuilt by Wes, and he is a woodworking craftsman. Sitting on the top of the wheel is Mr. Mike. So they had to build the wheel and then transport it all the way from Port Haywood, Virginia, over there to the Poplar Grove on the other side. And they had to leave our bay here in Port Haywood, go across the water of the Chesapeake, which took several hours to maneuver that. You'll notice that wheel weighs a lot. And Mike is sitting on the top to balance it. And there's a good shot of it there. Well, Wes is driving the boat that's pulling it. And he has his trusty sidekick, Lola. And this is 2015, but Lola is still with us now. And she is giving out orders to Wes to make sure he doesn't go too fast. Well, it was quite a project to get the wheel in the boat and then transported all the way around. And Mike is making sure it doesn't topple over. Well, once they get to the mill at Poplar Grove, they have to secure it to the docks and then figure out how they're going to get it off that boat and in place. Well, it turns out they had to use a lot of manual labor and a lot of ropes. And as you can see there, Wes and Lola are trying to get it in position. Well, once they got it up to the mill itself, they kept moving the boat closer to the side to be installed. Now, it took several people along with Wes and Mike to get it over there and in that slot, and also the spindle to fit on the mill itself. And Wes is making sure it doesn't flop off. As you see, they're pulling it around to the mill, and there's a good picture of it without the wheel on it. And now they're getting the wheel turned around, and a good close-up. It was an all-day project. Now, you see how they have to slide it in? Really amazing of how much that wheel weighed and how Wes, built it in his wood shop. And there it is, totally installed. And this is a current picture. And look at that craftsmanship that Wes did. And David Lowe there is giving a tour. And this is a 2026 picture. And don't forget, this video supports the Blue and the Gray Education Society for battlefield signs. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, be kind, and be courteous.